Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. How are you? Good evening
Fine,
to
sir.
all of you. Please welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Sweet evening, sweet evening. Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
All well, all well.
Great.
So, how are you?
Me also fine, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Lakshmi, ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
entered. Yes.
Hinduja, ma'am, hi. How are you? So, let me introduce Lakshmi, ma'am. All of us, yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, Lakshmi ji.
Good evening, all of you. Nice to see you all here.
Which is starting in a couple of minutes.
Who's the first? Roshni ji, unmute yourself if you want to say something.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly
Let
at
me introduce
9:09 we have to start.
Roshni ji. Okay. Let me, of course, introduce first of all Lakshmi ma'am and Roshni ji. Okay. Today is the sixth day. We are finishing Sekal Chakra today, and today we have a special healing from Roshni ji. Roshni ji is an expert in advanced angel healing and multiple other modalities. So today the entire healing will be done by Roshni Hinduja ji. Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, you want to add anything?
No, nothing.
Yeah, ma'am.
Namaste, Lakshmi ma'am.
Start after
Namaste.
3 minutes. It's 9:06 on the clock. We'll start exactly at 9:09.
9:09. Okay.
सर बाकी को म्यूट कर देना बाद में ना, क्योंकि बीच में कई बार आवाज
या मैं कर देता हूँ मैं. Yes. Roshni, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, I have
Yeah.
done that.
Roshni ma'am, you can just give us a small introduction to that at 9:09. Yeah, it's anyway 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, good evening, everyone. It's a good thing to know that you have joined this 21 days chakra healing because basically chakras are the base through which you can clear them, heal them, and then lots of awareness will start opening up. So each chakra with each of your thought, daily जो भी आप सोचते हो, करते हो, आपके चक्र को reflect होता ही है. So once you do this 21 days chakra healing, the cycle will change. Your chakras will get activated. आपको ज़्यादा energy feel होगी. You will feel much lighter. और आपको काफी awareness भी आ जाएगी कि मुझे ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं. So this is the best thing. Each one of you have taken this opportunity. But I would suggest later on also you can continue on your own if you have learned certain modalities. Keep on with that work because it is the best part. It is the best thing to do for yourself actually. You will feel complete and whole with this. So that's wonderful. And I would like to say, yeah, I'm an angel teacher, advanced healing. Like you all would have known simple angels. So I take you into a higher ascension techniques of the angels, which will really connect you more with your guardian angels. And then things will happen magically and you will start seeing those messages very quickly in the form of WhatsApp message हो, टीवी में हो, न्यूज़पेपर में हो, आपको वो तुरंत गाइडेंस आ जाता है. आपको अगर चलते चलते ऐसे फेदर्स भी मिलेंगे. मुझे देखो रोज कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है because it's a divine blessing from the angels saying that they are with me. And one thing more is they are like small cute things. हम जो बोलते हैं प्यार से वो सुन लेते हैं, हमारी बातें मानते हैं. But जो हमारे हित के लिए होता है, whatever is in our highest good, वो ही होगा. सिर्फ उनको हमसे थैंक यू भी नहीं चाहिए, बस उनको याद करना है. नहीं भी याद किया, still they are happy. They are always ready to help us. And in very everything, आपका चाहे relationship हो, जो भी issues हो, love issue हो, self love हो, तुरंत आपको help करेगा. तुरंत आप महसूस करोगे आज कैसे आपको energy flow होती है. Sir, we will start 9:09.
Yeah, we can start, ma'am. Yes, it's all yes, we can start. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. Everyone, please close your eyes and relax yourself. You don't need to sit straight or something. You can just relax yourself. Let the angels flow this healing towards you. I hope everyone is okay in English. So
Yes, ma'am.
just close your eyes. Yeah. Close your eyes and just focus on your breath. Breath is a wonderful thing. It's your life. It brings you joy and happiness. So breathe in this beautiful love and joy with the breath. Feel this breath going inside you, relaxing you, calming you. When you're breathing in the beautiful light of the angels flowing through your nose, inside all your chakras, relaxing each and every chakra and body of yours. Breathe in love and relax, relax, relax. Be with your breath. It's lovely to be focused on your breath as you're taking in this beautiful loving energy of the angels within you. Now, as you have focused on your breath, you have completely relaxed, completely whole mind, body is completely relaxed. Feel yourself grounded the Mother Earth. Take the beautiful energy and grounding you deeply with the Mother Earth. Now, Mother Earth is beautiful energy. It is each and every in its unconditional love energy. Feel this beautiful mother's love coming up, 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 up into your feet. Take it up, 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 up into your heart. Feel the energy opening your heart. Beautiful pink color light entering your heart and expanding, expanding, expanding. Now from the top of your head, feel the divine grace of the God angels showering upon you. The beautiful, see the light is falling in a thick pillar of light. It's coming down, down over your crown. Let it open up your crown chakra. It has opened many of them. Now this light is entering behind you, inside your back, till your heart. Now this is entering your heart, opening your heart. Now a beautiful blue light is covering all of you up. It is the protection light, shield of protection. Now I invoke each guardian angels, masters, God, goddesses to surround you. I will chant something and all of them will be present beside you. You can sense them. Eno Patima, Eno Patima. Yes, each and everyone's guardian angels is beside you, surrounding you. Feel their loving energy as if they are gracing you, touching you with lovingness, surrounding you with joy and happiness. Now we will connect to the moon energies today as it's full Purnima, full moon. Now from the moon, the beautiful, pure, white, glittering light is coming down and down and down, showering upon you with this cosmic light. It's such a beautiful, wonderful energy. This energy is going to cleanse you along with the sound of the Om. Beautiful white light is showering. As this white light is showering, all the layers of your aura is getting clean. See all the debris going down, down, down into the violet flame, which is there in front of you. Just feel karo ki aap moon ko dekh rahe, you're watching the moonlight. And see the beautiful moonlight is showering. Such a beautiful milky pouring continuously over you. See your aura getting brightened up. All the darkness, all the negativities, all the thought patterns, all the judgments is released. All the traumas around you, all your worries, let it be. It's a full moon. Let it go with ease. It's releasing, releasing, be in that awareness. Take this energy with the Om sound. Now let this moon energy go inside your head, inside your brain. Let it cleanse all thought patterns from your brain, the worries. Feel your brain lightening up with this white light. Let it cover your face. Feel your face glowing in this moonlight. Feel this romantic energy of the moon filling you. Love yourself. Take this love as much as you want. Moon आपको बहुत ही प्यारी loving energy दे रहा है. You're becoming so attractive. Your face is glowing beautifully. See your face glowing beautifully, enhancing the beauty within you. Now this moonlight is going inside your throat, inside your body, inside each and every cell, atom, blood vessels of your body. ये beautiful crystalline light आपके हर एक चक्र को enhance कर रही है. अब I will call upon the angels of all chakras. They are already surrounding you. They are dancing around you, giving you so much love and light. Now they are going into each and every chakra of yours simultaneously. All the chakras, there is a beautiful angel surrounding your chakras. They are cleansing with the help of moonlight. Feel it. The more you feel, the more you will feel lighter. Surrender yourself completely. It is happening. It is activating your root chakras. Shreem. Shreem. It has activated your root chakra. It is going to the sacral, the soul, simultaneously it's cleansing. I activate the Merkaba energy around all your chakras right now. The sacral chakra is cleansed and filling you with lots of joy and happiness. And satisfaction. The solar plexus is filled with energy. Your power is back. Your power is back. Your power is back. As solar plexus is got healed with the angel. Your heart is opening up. See your heart full of love. Everyone loves you. Angels are showering so much love over you. Receive this love. See the love pouring. Feel yourself so much lighter and lovely. Your throat chakra has activated. You're speaking the truth. You're speaking your expressions out. You're speaking so softly and loving words of the divine. Now the moon energy, along with the angels, is activating your psychic senses within your third eye. Right now, your third eye is being activated with the moonlight energy. As the Om chant is going inside your third eye, it is opening, going deeper and deeper, activating your pineal gland, opening up your psychic senses. You are psychic. You can see things clearly. You come to know the reality, the truth of the world. You act with your awareness. Your third eye is opening up. As the sound is vibrating, the circular current energies is moving in your eye, continuous opening up your third eye. Feel this energy vibrating in the third eye. Yeah, many of your third eyes also opened up. Psychic senses have opened up. You are becoming more and more aware. Now the crown chakra is helping you connect your energies only and only with the divine beings of light, the angels, the master, the god, goddesses. Whomever you believe and have faith, you're connecting with those energies. See the God and Goddess whom you believe are in front of you right now. In this beautiful day, they have come to grace you, bless you, to help you manifest in your life one at a time. Now whole of your body is completely cleansed, released and filled with love, 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 love. I ask all of you to forgive each and every one whom you feel have hurted you in this life. Just forgive them. The divine has come to help you forgive easily. And if anyone you have hurted, ask your forgiveness in today, the divine time. Seek the forgiveness and be released from this energy. The Archangel Michael is there with you. He's helping you release, forgive, and forget. As you forgive and forget, your body is becoming lighter and lighter and lighter. Yes, you are completely clean. Now just take in one more time this beautiful moonlight energy. Feel yourself covered in a moonlight, completely. You're covered in a beautiful moonlight energy. All your chakras are activated, aligned, and centered. All of your chakras are activated, aligned, and centered. Each and every one of your chakras are activated, aligned, and centered. Now, as your chakras are activated and centered, now focus your attention towards your heart. Your heart is expanding. See, your heart is expanding, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. What you focus on, it happens. See, your heart is becoming bigger and bigger, covering your body. There is a beautiful energy covering your body. Expand this energy more and more. Expand, expand. See this opening more and more into the room, into your surrounding. Expand this energy into your city. Keep on expanding your awareness. Your body, your beingness is expanding, expanding into the country, becoming bigger and lighter and lighter, expanding into the whole world. See yourself so tiny and this energy ball becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. Now all of you are traveling outside the Mother Earth with this ball of energy into the universe, feeling so light, beautiful. You're floating into this big awareness energy. You have expanded, expanded, and expanded. Now you are an infinite being. You have love, you're content, and you can manifest everything from here. See the divine grace of golden light, the sun, the central sun's energy is covering you all up. Beautiful sun energy is covering you up. The energy of manifestation, Archangel Ariel, is covering you up. Beautiful golden light is glowing, glowing. You're feeling so happy, joyous. Make your wish. Whatever your wish, make it one wish. And all the angels, God, goddesses, masters, if it is for your highest good, it will get manifested. You are feeling so light and you're floating at this space. Just make your wish. As you're making your wish, angels are showering you with the beautiful flowers, beautiful romantic lights, 7 colors rainbow light. Beautiful music is being played on the background, covering you with abundance, prosperity, 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 stability, 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 security, 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 grounded, grounded, grounded. Be in that moment of peace and joy. As I will sing some song of angelic realm, and then it will be done. Nikuna kana kana kashana shana, Uramana mana shana shana, shana shana, shana shana. The divine is gracing you all. They are above you, showering you with beautiful flowers and light. They are very happy for you to connect with this. Tikola mana mana mastana stana. Tikania. Tikolama. Tukania. No 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 shana. Ikoloko makama. Shana shana shana. La 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 la. Feel yourself so joy. Bring that happiness over your face. Start smiling. If you don't smile in front of the divine, then when you will smile, smile, be happy, show your happiness. So many angels are showering you with so much beautiful grace. Show them how much you love and you're accepting this energies from them. What you do, you receive 100 back this energy. So pour your love out to them, pour your gratitude to them, as they are singing this song for you today. La kito na 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 na, shana kanaka, ula kanaka, tira mana mana sha, shiko na na shike shike, la la kito na na shakana shakana, la 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 la. Yes. How they have blessed you with divine energies and put up a manifestation shield around you so that you can manifest for your highest good. They have protected you. They have pleased each and every chakra of yours, raised their vibrations. Now slowly with these beautiful energies, let all these energies integrate into your being, into your surroundings. Integrate. All these energies are sealed within you for your highest good. Now with this happiness and joy that you have met your divine beings of light, your God has come over you, showered you with so much of beautiful light and joy and happiness and a gratitude. Slowly, you start coming down and down, down and down. You have reached the Mother Earth. You're coming down. You have reached India or any other country where you belong to. You have reached your city. You have come into your surrounding space of your room. And now you're back into your body. The awareness of you is back within your physical body. Integrate. All your auras and chakras are coming back into your normal positions. Everything is sealed and protected and grounded. I invoke golden ray of Christ consciousness for everyone's total protection right now. Everyone is protected and safe, protected and safe, protected. Now take your focus to your feet. See beautiful energy going down into the Mother Earth. And now all of you are giving some part of your loving energy, the rainbow light which you receive, the flowers which you receive, the love which you receive. You're giving it to the Mother Earth, some part of it. Let Mother Earth receive this beautiful loving energies from you all. Let you all be a contribution to Mother Earth. Give her this beautiful loving energies of success, abundance, rejuvenation, raising of the consciousness, purity. Let it flow. Let you be the medium. God is connected, showering you, and you all are the medium right now. From you, all these energies are going down, connecting to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth will bless you with multifold times. So just love her. Love this Mother Earth who is taking care of you, giving you place to stay, giving you so much food in each and everything. So just be in gratitude. Honor Mother Earth. So now you're very well grounded and safe. And I thank each and every being who was present here. Thank you, dear all divine souls who are present here with the divinity. I bow down to the divinity within you for taking such a moment this day, for connecting with the divine energies, angel, and showering your love to the Mother Earth, helping Mother Earth grow and rejuvenate. Let in your life divine shower the grace, give you lots of abundance, peace, health, happiness, joy, contentment, satisfaction, and always, dear beings, let go. Be in the letting go, surrender. Don't hold on to any emotion. Release each and everything. Forgive each and everyone. You will grow more and more and get connected to the God. Don't judge anyone. Don't limit yourself. Keep on expanding and expanding. With this beautiful affirmations, I thank all the divine beings of light. Gratitude to the angels, the Mother Earth, Lord Ganesha, all the colors, the flowers, beautiful time. Thank you. Thank you. So with this, whenever you feel like, you will open up your eyes slowly with a beautiful, wonderful smile and love for yourself. I want each and everyone to love yourself. You are such a lovely soul. Everyone has something creative within you. Work on that creativity. Enhance yourself. Don't limit yourself. You are a beautiful, infinite being. Slowly, slowly with this, you can open up your eyes and come back feeling wonderful, superb, duper. With a beautiful smile, I want everyone to have a big smile on your face. So this smile, the moment you smile, you bring smile to others, God will bring you lots of smile. So open up your teeth and smile. It was wonderful, right? So good
Thank
to
you,
have you
Roshni
all.
ji. Thank you.
And so
Thank
lovely
you.
seeing everyone on smile. Such a
Thank you. Thank
wonderful
you.
being.
Thank you. Thank you, Roshni ji. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you, Roshni ma'am. It was very wonderful. Thanks a lot for coming in.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Well, any doubts on on sacral chakra? From tomorrow notes, we'll be getting into the solar plexus. Just to give a heads up, tomorrow solar plexus, yellow color. So try and use yellow color. As mentioned in the chart, you let your diet also be in yellow color. So just follow the chart, the switch words.
आयला सुपर राहुल एंजलचं काय एनर्जी फील होत होती. देणार आहेत रेकॉर्डिंग आता, पाठवतायत.
Yeah, the recording will be given, shared. Yeah. So any doubts, anyone?
Sir, this was an amazing thing, sir.
Thank you, Vipulji.
Thank you. Thank you. Really, it was amazing. I was under, I would like to share it. Okay, I was in some another world and I feel very light and very difficult to open my eyes because I feel it. I just don't want to come out from it. I would just want to be there. So, hello.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
hear me,
Vipulji,
sir?
yeah, listen to you.
Yeah. I just don't want to come out from it. I was feeling very, very pleasant over there, and yes, it was really amazing. I thank you, Roshni Madam, that she has given such a
Well,
wonderful thing.
yeah.
And thank you, Madam. It was really wonderful. I would like to say that yes, I was somewhere in another world and very happy, very pleasant on this map.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you,
I would
Sunil.
like to say something. Is Sarita Gupta feeling uncomfortable, dear? You're feeling? I will guide you. Yeah. So just, ma'am, if you can just sit on the ground, if you're comfortable, take water, sit on the ground. I'll help you release that energy. Sit on the ground or touch your feet. It's better if you sit on the ground. Don't worry, let the. Yeah, just sit on the ground, touch your hands to the ground like this and let it flow. And then you will drink water, you will feel better, ma'am. Yeah, this energy sometimes are very high. So somebody will feel more lighter, somebody will feel that heaviness because releases will happen. So it's okay, nothing to worry, she will get better. Yes, I saw her, so I. It's all okay.
Sure. I also want Lakshmi ma'am to say something, ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am, you're there? Please guide all of us. Ma'am, mute me. You're on mute.
Yeah, Roshni, it was such a wonderful meditation. What a good feeling we had. Something very nice, and it was something different to to each and every one of them, right? So it's something very nice. That's it.
Lakshmi ma'am, a small meditation from you for just a couple of minutes.
Small meditation. matlab,
Some small prayer, please.
Actually, everyone is with that angelic feeling, so we shouldn't merge.
Yeah, I think a small
okay.
prayer,
Yeah,
prayer,
with
something on Ganesha or
gratitude.
something on that, please, ma'am.
Yeah, let her do. Let her do.
Yeah.
You listen to her, what she's saying.
Yeah, and I will tell you one thing, this meditation really has got created for you. There is no written script because whatever your energies are there, accordingly that flow was there for all of you.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. So that's the blissful moment. And I think lot of angels were saying, be in the love. आप लोग को शायद love नहीं feel होता है, to take in more of love and be beautiful. Beautiful means आपकी जो भी actions करते हो ना, एकदम मस्ती से करो. ऐसे serious होके मत करो. काम भी करते हो, थोड़ा सा smile आके करो. He wants you to smile. Angels आपके सामने ऐसे डांस कर रहे थे और देख रहे थे क्यों नहीं स्माइल कर रहे हो. तो काम खाना बनाते हो, एक स्माइल डालो मुंह पे. आपका जो मंत्र है ओम नमः शिवाय हो या हरे राम हरे कृष्णा ऐसा करो. तो वो जब करोगे ना, आप देखोगे आपके ऊपर ही द गॉड ऐसा आपको फील करेगा. वाओ, देखो अभी मेरे तरफ फील कर रहे हैं वो. आई कैन फील दिस. अगर मेरा चेहरा देखोगे आप, वो देखो मुझे फील कर रहे हैं लाइक से. दे आर सो हैप्पी दैट दिस मेडिटेशन वाज कंडक्टेड. वाओ, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. तो इतना लोग अपनी लाइट आपको जब शॉवर करते हैं ना, आपके अंदर जितने भी सेल्स है ऐसे डांस करते हैं, उनको नई लाइफ मिलती है. आप यंग बन जाती हो, आपके चेहरे पे ग्लो आ जाता है. इट्स सो मच ब्यूटी. So always be happy. I want always all of you to smile and always say these 3 words. I love myself. I am beautiful. I love myself. I am beautiful. It's a heartbeat. I love myself. I am beautiful. Wow. देखो बोलते वक्त कितना मजा आ रहा है. तो अभी ये करना. बाकी सर आगे आपके अलग अलग चक्र्स को heal करेंगे with the coming sessions. So thank you all for being part of this. I enjoyed being with you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So yes,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, anything you want to say? Okay, fair enough. Okay, then I think any doubts, please get back to us.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. You can put in the group or contact me or Karnati or any one of us. So let's see tomorrow at 3:30. Tomorrow is again solar plexus, and wish you all the best. Let's meet up
Thank you,
tomorrow
sir.
at 3:30 in the morning.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.